Now that you guys have become more familiar with Google Classroom, of how to log in, how to navigate and get from your stream to classwork, we're going to be talking about a little resource that I've added called Ask Apana and Apana Answers. So let's say you have a question and you can't get a hold of me on email or phone. You're going to go to classwork, and under your toolbox, like it's already open, we're going to click on Ask Apana and Apana Answers. So once you're in here, if you have a question, first I'd like you to check to see if it's been answered. So you click Apana Answers, and we're going to use this to navigate, this box right here, to navigate through our questions. So it says math, so it's showing all of my math questions. Now if I want to choose a different option, I click on that little box. My other options are other questions and technology questions. So let's say I have a technology question. Let's see if it's been answered. Oh look, my question was about my login. It says to reach out to Apana. So now I just need to email or text Mr. Apana and let him know, hey, I need my password reset for Google Classroom or whichever application it is. Now if you don't see your question in here, you can either click this link here, or if we go back to our classwork, we're going to go to this Google form, Ask Apana. Now you'll fill this out. What's your name? Make sure that you get this part in. It's very important so I know who to contact. Now let's say it's a math question. Math, this is very important. Please make sure you put the page number and problem number so I can help you faster. Otherwise I'll have to contact you, see which one you had a question on, and go back and forth. This way I can go quick. So we'll say page 777. Problem 6. I don't know what it means by convert. Perfect. Now I can help you a little bit more with that. Hit submit. If you spelled something wrong or you wanted to add something or put it in the wrong category, you can click edit response. Otherwise, we'll go back to our classwork, click on Apana Answers, and let's see if my question is there. So it's in technology. Again, I use this little drop down to go to math, and see, ta-da! I see our question here. So I have 2 questions that have not been answered, but I'll get to those and then you can check back here to see what my answer was, or I'll reach out to you as well and fill this out so other people can see. So I hope that gives you a good idea of how to use this just in case you can't get a hold of me. Go ahead and check it out, play around with Google Classroom, and please let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a great day, and talk to you guys soon.